Altcoins are dumping. Banks are even dumping more. And the entire cryptocurrency market is correcting. It's your boy Crypto Millie. In today's video, we're going to be talking about what's going on with Bitcoin, altcoins, what happened yesterday. Why did we see a pump, then a dump? We're going to get into a quick video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and keep your favorite crypto and door-to-door entrepreneur inside the algorithms. Now, what I like to look at, family, and again, what happened to First Republic Bank stock looking like a ship coin right here, man, just dumping, man, and again, this is a bullish sign for Bitcoin, as a lot of wealthy people kind of transfer their money from banks to cryptocurrency, which that's what we need mass adoption. But taking a look at the entire crypto total market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, if you was paying attention to the weekly charts, you can see that we are extremely overbought. So a altcoin dump was to be expected. But on the positive note, you can see that we're extremely oversold on the daily. I don't think we break this resistance that we have here at about 400 billion. So we got heavy resistance at 400 billion. In fact, we've been trading right in between 355 billion and 400 billion for weeks, as you can see right here, right in this little channel here. So it's expected every time you see this thing to be oversold here to overbought here, to dump, and oversold to pump. Maybe we get a little pump up here to 400 billion, but until we get clarification on the macro environment, I just don't see how altcoin season can actually start from here. Taking a look at the DXY, you can see the DXY is kind of stuck in that channel between 102 and 100 here. So you want to keep in mind that we haven't broke the 100 mark, which is normally bullish for cryptocurrency, but we are overbought on the daily. So maybe we see the DXY crawl back down here to about 100, but it's been struggling to break it. Bitcoin is sitting at 28.95, but look at the volatility. We were just here. We pumped up to 29.7, dumped down to 27.9, and a lot of people want to know what happened. Well, yesterday, family, there was some news that came out that the Mt. Gox Bitcoin had been transferred, basically saying that the Fed was selling off Bitcoin. Isn't it ironic, right? Every time we get a crypto pump, the Fed somehow has their hand in the crypto dump. So it's a lot of market manipulation going on here. And keep in mind that we do have the GDP quarterly Q1 2023 data to come out at 2:30. So expect a lot of volatility. The expected growth at 2% versus previous 2.6%. So this can trigger a little bit of bullish momentum for the cryptocurrency. But again, everybody has their eyes set on the FOMC meeting that is in 6 days. So 76% of the market is pricing in a 0.25 federal rate hike, while 23% are pricing in a pause. If we take a look at the next month, because I think the next month is really going to give us a little bit of insight, 62% of the market, they're pricing in a pause. So this is where things get a little bit juicy and interesting. And my question to you, family, in the comment box, do you think the Fed will pause at the next FOMC meeting, which is stated to be here on June 14th? All right, so we do got the May 3rd meeting here. And the market is pricing in a 76.7%. But when you look at these banks and what these federal rate hikes are doing to these banks, it's hard to believe that these guys can continue, family, to raise these federal rate hikes, man. And just talking to people, everyday people in the world, and seeing how a lot of people are starting to complain here about pricing on food and overtime, because that conversation has stopped just a little bit, but people are still like, yeah, food is still expensive. So again, we'll just have to see if the Fed decides to actually pause. The fear and greed index is sitting at 59. So you have to be a little bit wary that we still are in greed and expect the consolidation and a correction in the crypto market to continue. Besides that, not much news in the field. Again, we are in the midst of a correction, so stay safe. Again, this is not financial advice. Never invest what you're afraid to lose. But these are always the best days to DCA and add to your bag. Also, if you're hodling, you got to understand that a lot of bullish momentum is happening in cryptocurrency. You got Ted Cruz here who is a senator, U.S. senator, saying he is incredibly bullish on the cryptocurrency market. And if we swing over here to Yahoo News, shout out to my boy A-Rod for moving to the Jets, man. You can see that the traditional stock market here is wants to open up in the green. I believe they do open up in about an hour and 30 minutes. The S&P pre-market is already up 22 points, so a lot to look forward to. A lot of these countries are starting to get their regulation together, and in Q3 we could get a decision on the ETF. Yes, family, the Bitcoin spot ETF, and that's the ETF where people feel like trillions of dollars will flood into the cryptocurrency market. In fact, there's trillions of dollars on the sideline from institutions waiting for regulation and clarity on regulation. So let me know what you're doing currently in the crypto market. Are you buying? Are you selling? Are you holding? Are you staying pat? Are you on the sidelines? This is just an update letting you guys know what's going on in altcoins and bitcoins. Not much news from some of our favorite cryptocurrencies, but it's good to see a correction. Sometimes these are healthy corrections, giving more people an opportunity to get in. I'm telling you, man, mass adoption is on the way. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll catch you in the next one.